Okay guys, I'm by myself right now because Trevor is at Menards getting paint because we're redoing our bedroom again. We're painting the walls like olive green. We're going for like the boho look. We're gonna change those pictures to match. We got new bed sheets. We're gonna keep all the white like dressers and nightstand, all that. I just gotta clean up our room a little bit because it got messy over the weekend. But I'm just waiting on Trevor to get back, and then we're gonna start painting and getting at it. So I'll let you know when Trevor gets back. I forgot to mention, I don't know if you guys remember our last video from our first bedroom makeover, but we said we were going to upgrade our ceiling fan, and we never did. But we just did a few days ago, I think, so we got that one. It was like brown looking, so we wanted to make it match, I guess. We just wanted a new one. But yeah, this is what we're working with right now. Gotta shape up and clean up a little bit. And the only thing that we hate about our room is that the electrical box is in here. It's kind of an eyesore. We kind of been chipping at the paint because we're gonna, well, there's so many layers of paint. We're gonna paint strip it. I think that's what Trevor said. So.
All right, made it to Menards. Well, at least I made it to Menards. Kalia had a bathroom emergency. And she has trusted me to get the paint. Risky business if you ask me. Got my wallet. Nice. Whoa. Finally done. Just gotta load this stuff up. At home, it's like pitch black out. I guess I was in there a lot longer than I thought I was. But it doesn't help that it gets dark at like what time? I don't even have my watch. I swear it's probably like maybe 6 o'clock. I swear. And it's already like literally midnight. Whew, it's cold out too. I have a good feeling Kalia's probably sitting at home right now like, what's taking him so long? Women.
Okay guys, Trevor's back, and I guess he filmed while he was there. Hopefully he didn't talk bad about me. Yeah, he probably did. But this is what he got. Okay guys, we're moving all the furniture. I just moved that big TV all by myself.
Yeah, totally.
It was a lot of work. But we had a lot of stuff. Oh, he's moving my sports cards.
Yeah.
We're gonna paint strip that. I think I said that, but
it's like a mess in here. It looks like a tornado hit.
yeah, it does. But that's the color we're going with. We're going for like a boho theme look.
Yeah. Those are our test spot.
Yeah.
And it actually covers this really well, so I don't think we'll need a primer coat. should be good.
And it took us a while to start actually moving furniture because Supercross was on and we got distracted.
Yeah.
And we were watching Smallville also. But let's get on to painting. Okay guys, first wall is complete. Oh, there's Trevor.
Still gotta do like the little bit of trim, but
Yeah. Oh yeah.
oh, the trimming's so annoying. I hate trimming. But it's actually looking pretty good. It really makes the white trim pop.
Yeah.
Although our terrible trimming job stands out even more though.
Yeah, don't look at that. We're gonna fix that, but oh, there's our big TV. You guys already seen that. But we're going to change our pictures so they match. I'll pull up the pictures of what we're gonna use right now. What are you laughing at?
I'm not.
I seen that.
It'll look pretty good when we're done.
Yeah.
Oh, that's another thing. The vent.
Wait, where's? Oh, there it is.
I pulled that out too. And it's the same thing. You could tell it was painted. But I took this off, and if you look closely, you can tell it's the same way. It's got just layers of paint on it.
And it's very dusty too.
Yeah, so we're gonna clean it off. See if I can paint strip it back to its like original self or just to the metal. And then I actually got spray paint, and I'm gonna spray paint it. That'll be a nice clean white finish. It should look a lot better. Did it?
Yes. It's not all the way finished yet.
Yeah, there's still like minor things we gotta do, but like there's like the door, the closet door we're still gonna do.
Oh, and that hideous thing.
Oh yeah, we still gotta finish that.
Gotta change our pictures on the wall.
But like the main gist of everything's done. We
Yeah.
gotta hang that up, that little thing.
Picture surround of us. And then we're possibly getting a new headboard.
Yeah, we're thinking about getting a new bed. Probably like a wood backboard.
Yeah.
It'll go good with that color.
And then eventually gonna change these doors.
Yeah. Probably get some more plants for the shelves.
And then he wanted to put like a fireplace on the TV to make it more cozy.
It's a cozy vibe in here.
Got new door handles.
We still actually gotta wash these sheets because they were like in storage for
Yeah.
a long time.
But if you remember from our last bedroom makeover, we went from light to dark basically. Because it was like a beach theme, light blue everywhere.
And then we have a lot of touch up to do because
Yeah, we're no professionals, but.
yeah.
And towards the end, we were rushing a little bit because we didn't get done until 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, we stayed up.
Gotta finish this.
But
Right there.
This is like the main gist of everything.
Yeah.
It looks really good.
Oh, and he hung up an extra shelf. Got our little plant right there. We got our big plant. We got these little things. Those, we're gonna stick some, what's it called?
I actually forgot.
Pumpagrass? I don't know. It's called something, but
And then these are blue, but they were gifted to us. So
whenever we had our beach theme room.
yeah. So we're probably just gonna, I know it's glass, but we might try to spray paint them. White or black, and then put some kind of decorative plant in there.
Oh, got all of our pics.
Yeah, one last thing to hang up in my corner.
Oh yeah, he's gonna put this up. He's never had this up in our room before.
My Fox flag. Night of painting and organizing and cleaning, we're finally done.
Yeah, here's a little.
Now, I'll be honest, I was like a little skeptical about the paint.
Yeah, it was actually darker than what it showed.
Yeah, it came out darker than what we had expected. Because when we had the sample, it looked a lot lighter. And it was kind of more what we're going for. But, I mean, it actually turned out pretty good, I think.
No. But that area over there is so annoying to paint.
Yeah, because I guess this room, we'll have to paint. We're going to paint that too, though. Actually, we might redo it and put new shelves in this section. But it came with these railing pieces, like attached to the wall, and then it has these like little clips. And you can't take the roll over. You have to like hand brush every one of those because it's such a small little section.
Yeah.
So annoying.
But
Over there, I was just slapping the paint on. It probably looks terrible because I was so just over it at that point.
But I'm gonna go show you what we're doing with that right now. Here's what we're working with right now.
Yeah, I'm not 100% sure how well this stuff's actually gonna do. It's a paint stripper, and it's kind of dried. I think I should have put some kind of film over top of it. But we also got this, the ceiling vent. Oh,
What?
that's working. The paint is peeling
Oh,
off.
I see it.
See? It's actually already pretty white under it. Oh, it's dripping to the bare metal.
But he got some spray paint.
We might have to redo that and put plastic over top of it. Because that's actually working. That's good.
And Bobo's gonna stay in here, of course. Well, Trevor did make him a little pallet. He matches the room. He matches the vibe. You want your ball? He got his ball in paint.
Yeah.
My little
Dropped
special
it
boy.
Right in the paint bucket.
Bo, can you shake? Thank you. Come on. Okay, sit. Do your tricks for YouTube. Wow.
Look, he's got paint on his butt.
Because of you. You painted him.
Yeah.
Bobo, I'm gonna take your ball. I'm gonna take it. Oh, he's growling. He's in a bad mood. You're just like a teenager. Oh my gosh. Let's get out of here.
He
Leave,
don't
Bo.
like you.
Hey.
He likes me though.
Yeah, I know. He really likes you.
Too much sometimes.